A taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanell Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this delicious garden eggs abomu, or Nyadowaa Abomu if you may. Now this is vastly enjoyed in Ghana. It is very nutritious, super quick and very easy to make. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good, let's get right to it, y'all. So we are going to start by prepping our garden eggs, which is the star of the show today. So here I'm just cutting off the heads and dividing them into bigger chunks just so they can cook easier and faster. Note that leaving the skin of your garden eggs on is completely optional. You can opt out if you want to. Just be sure to thoroughly clean them so you don't transfer bacteria. Also keep in mind that oxidization takes place the moment you cut off the head of your garden eggs. So be fast about your preparation so they don't get to oxidize and change color. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 small tomatoes to that. I'll also add 4 habaneros, 2 eggs that I'll be using later on, and then here I have my salted fish soaked in water. I'm going to add that to it as well to get rid of excess salt and flavor my vegetables. Add enough water, cover it up and bring that to a boil. So while that is going, I'm just going to go ahead and cut my yam off camera, but I just wanted to let you guys know to put your yams in water as and when you are cutting them, just so they don't discolor. So next I'm just going to go ahead and dice this to test of a medium onion into smaller bits and set it aside for later use. So I'm just roasting half of a small sized tomato and my momone just to give it that local smoky vibe, okay? Checking on our garden eggs, my knife is able to go through easily, which indicates that it is ready, so we're going to turn down the heat at this point. Next up, I'm seasoning my habaneros and my smoked momone with some salt and give that a good grind. The salt gives you some friction, which enables you to grind easily and faster. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add my freshly chopped up onions for some more freshness and kick to your abomu, okay? You don't want everything to be cooked. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my peanuts or groundnuts to my mix and give that a good grind as well. This gives it a good flavor, yo. If you have some, please don't skip it, okay? Next up, I'm just adding my boiled tomatoes and my roasted or charred tomato and give that a good grind as well. It's all coming together, guys. It is all coming together and I can't wait, okay? Yes, so now we're just going to add the star of our show, garden eggs. Yep, give that a good grind and your abomu is pretty much ready, okay? Look at that, guys. So next, what I like to do is create some holes or spaces in there so my palm oil can go in easily, okay? Here I'm just adding my palm oil, allow it to heat up a bit and add my momone to it. I'm going to let that fry in there for just about a minute so it can release all of its flavors and juices in there and the momone, the local vibe, okay? Yes, now once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and add my sliced up onions and allow that to caramelize for just about 30 seconds or a minute, and yeah, it is ready, okay? Now introduce the goodness to your other goodness. Yes, introduce your oil slowly. Now what I like to do is mix it all up before I come in with a second round of palm oil, because I want every part of my abomu to be coated with the palm oil, okay? Now some people don't like it that way. If not, you can just create spaces and pour your palm oil in there and enjoy just like that. But if you want my way too, you can just go ahead and mix it all up. I just cannot enjoy when it's not all mixed up, okay? So yes, Yes, it's all coming together. So now I'm just going to add my salted fish, my kako, my eggs, and my avocado. You can use any other topping of your choice, any other thing you want to enjoy your abomu with. Girl, go for it, okay? Yes. Look at that, guys, and it smells so good. Alrighty, so we enjoyed this with some really soft yams, and let me tell you guys, it tasted so good. I am not even playing. You really need to try this recipe out. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really do hope you enjoyed yourself, because I sure did enjoy the cooking myself. And remember that the first step to every tasty meal is cooking with love. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.